Grace Mills, preschool teacher here at New Highland Elementary School, and today we're having our open house. It's a really exciting time to be able to meet all of our new students and get to know them and show them the classroom. A lot of them have never been to any type of organized setting before, so it's really cool to be able to start showing them what it's like to be a part of a learning community and just be able to give them some early intervention to where they're ready for kindergarten whenever they are able to start kindergarten. So we love our New Highland family and our preschool community. In my classroom, we really focus on being a community and talking about sharing and talking about expressing our feelings in a respectful way. And we really just try to become a family in our classroom.
Hi, my name is Miss Johnson. I'm one of the preschool teachers here at New Highland Elementary School. I've taught for 20 years and all of them have been in preschool. Some of the things that we're doing today, we're doing open house with our parents. We're kind of going over what the preschool program is about, and they're also filling out some paperwork that we need for them to start school. Some things that we do in preschool, we do a lot of play-based curriculum. We do a lot of lessons in math, literacy, STEM, and we also do handwriting. And we are going to incorporate our garden that is here at New Highland to do our social emotional lessons. And so I'm just really excited this year to get to meet my new students and see how far they go this year.
And what makes your class a little bit different than some of the other preschool classes in the area?
My class is a little bit different from some of the other classes. We do a lot of hands-on activities. My assistants have both been at New Highland for over 20 years as well, so we kind of work individually with them on activities that they need to get ready for kindergarten.